sold out. So let's find out what some of the vendors are here and what some of the people say about some of the great food we have right here in Hoover. What is it?
Churros.
Churros? What's a churros?
Tastes like a donut, but they have a caramel inside and have a cream inside. That's what the churro is.
Under the más bueno. Nunca me gusta el churros.
Chicken. It's very good. Very good.
Oh, that looks good.
This is
sweet
good.
Potatoes. Where's your chicken? You ate it all?
I did eat all the chicken.
Healthy plate over here. You on a diet?
I am. It's delicious.
Have some white cheddar grits with collard greens, bacon jam, and a red-eye gravy.
Wait, did you say bacon jam?
I did say bacon jam. It's bacon cooked down in caramelized onions, and then you cook that down with sugar, and you puree it, and then you cook it down more with chicken stock, and then it's finished. It's like an 8-hour process.
We have some pimento mac and cheese topped with bacon. It's one of our best sellers.
Now, I did eat all of that, everybody.
Yes, this whole plate. She ate the whole plate.
We have red velvet, which is our ¡1 seller. We have strawberry, vanilla, and then we have pumpkin right here.
Light up my dreams and give me some. Ooh, with this bite, I can't go wrong. This is not pizza. Is this a pizza brownie?
It's chocolate pizza brownie if you want to look at it, you know?
These are fresh made brownies. We make these at the restaurant every single day.
Jim and Nick's cheese biscuit.
That's your favorite thing of Jim and Nick's?
One of them, yeah. It's a good
What's your other
place.
favorite?
I like the spicy barbecue sauce.
Okay. You have some mac and cheese as well?
Yes, of course.
Of course, you have to try.
Now, thank you.
Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Thank you. Pecan ice cream, caramel, chocolate, some nuts, some whipped cream, some more caramel.